Assalamu alaikum. This is Usman Chaudhary here to present the developing story of world's most efficient turbine T34 cross pilot reaction over the Francis reaction turbine. Before heading towards T34, it is very important to know the history of original Francis turbine. Initially, this turbine was invented by Mr. Jean Victor of United States in 1820s. And then the turbine was remodified by Mr. S.B. Hood in 1838. 10 years later from S.B. Hood development, the turbine was finally developed by Mr. James B. Francis and called Francis reaction turbine. The turbine Francis reaction was considered to be highly efficient turbine. But there were few difficulties in manufacturing this turbine. First of all, its spiral casing itself is very difficult and time consuming to manufacture, and of course it's expensive too. Another big problem is to repair and maintain its complicated wicket gate assembly in the remote areas where mechanical workshops are very far away from the powerhouses. To overcome these problems, Mr. Akhtar Chaudhary of Chitral Engineering Works, Texala, Pakistan, started development of Francis reaction turbine by replacing its spiral casing with square casing, and instead of using complicated wicket gate assembly, he used fixed wicket gates and only one cross pilot to control water flow. In 2008, he succeeded to achieve 88% efficiency and named this development as T34 cross pilot reaction turbine. This is the intake adapter, and inside the intake adapter there is a butterfly valve to control the water flow. When water passes through cross pilot and strikes the runner, it rotates in this way. The runner is coupled with the flywheel by means of this shaft. Flywheel is further aligned with generator by a universal cross shaft in a single line. These metal plates on the top of casing and intake adapter are used to remove trash. This metal plate on the back side of casing is also used to remove trash. This is the base frame of turbine. Metal plates for removing trash. Metal plates for removing trash on the back side of casing. Shaft and lever for butterfly valve. This part is used to stop the leakage of water. Bush for this shaft. Same bush for the other side of this shaft. Butterfly valve. Brass bush for increasing the life of butterfly valve shaft. Intake adapter. Discharge tube ring. Runner. Collet catcher for flywheel. Flywheel. Bearing and bearing container. Grease cup for bearing container. Stopper for grease cup. Main shaft. Bearing housing. Grease cap stopper for the other side. Bearing container set. This part between the casing and bearing housing plays a very important role in increasing the life of bearing by diverting the way of extra water before entering into the bearing housing. Side disc of a casing. Stainless steel bush to increase the life of main shaft. This is a drainer and also used to divert the path of extra water by these brass pipes. And the casing. In 2013, this turbine was practically implemented at Khanpur Dam for testing purposes. After the successful testing of this turbine at Khanpur Dam, the first credit that directly goes to the local community of Garam Chashma district Chitral for giving us a chance to practically implement our T34 in their community area. And second credit goes to SRSP Swat for trusting us and giving us a chance to prove our ability, for which we are really thankful to SRSP. In 2008, an application was sent to the IPO Pakistan by Mr. Akhtar Chaudhary regarding the patents of T34 cross-pilot reaction turbine. The application was accepted and published in the Gazette of Pakistan in 2013 and titled as T34 Cross Pilot Reaction over the Francis Reaction Turbine. And the final patent certificate was received by Mr. Akhtar Chaudhary in 2014. Based on these achievements, Mr. Akhtar Chaudhary was awarded first gold medal from UET Taxila and the second gold medal from UET Peshawar. Thank you very much for sparing time for us.